Here is the Toyota Corolla. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Let's go ahead and pop the trunk. Now the process is the exact same for the left and right side. I'm just going to show you on the right side. There's the bulbs. The way to access it, we have to get this carpet out of the way, which is held in place by those two clips. For that you will need a pair of pliers, and the way to get it out is use the pliers to grab onto the clip over there and then just pull it out straight. And you may have to do some twisting and turning, and it's possible that the plier may just slip off the clip because the clip is on there pretty tight. That's okay, just be patient with it and it's gonna come right out like this. Keep the clip somewhere safe and then repeat the process for the second clip over there. Get that out as well. Peel the carpet back and now you have access to the bulbs. The orange bulb holder, that's the one for the brake light bulb. All we have to do is just grab it and twist it left to loosen it, and then out it comes. That's the bulb right there. The bulb size is right there on it, 7443. That's what you need to get, 7443. To get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle it to get it out, but you'll be able to get it out easily. That's the bulb right there. Get the new bulb, align it over there with the pins and just push it in to secure it. When you put in the bulb holder back in, make sure it sits in properly. You may have to do some twisting and turning before it drops in like that. Yep, like that. And only then will you be able to just twist this right to lock it in place, and you are done here. Put the carpet back in its place. Make sure the holes over there are aligned. Get the clips and we just have to align it and push the clip through the holes all the way to secure it, and repeat the process for the second one. And that is pretty much it. See how easy the whole process was? Hope you found the video useful.